The exotic car world has gotten loud. Everybody wants attention. Bigger wings, bigger screens, louder colors, more drama. But while everyone else has been shouting, Aston Martin has been quietly building something dangerous. This isn't the Aston Martin you remember. The new Vantage makes 656 horsepower. The DB12 makes 671. The Vanquish brings back the twin-turbo V12 with 824 horsepower. And somehow, those aren't even the crazy ones. The Valhalla brings 1,064 horsepower and 3 electric motors. And the Valkyrie? An 11,100 RPM Cosworth V12 wrapped inside something that looks like it escaped from Le Mans. This isn't old-world British luxury anymore. It's British luxury with a weapons permit. Ferrari is theater. Lamborghini is a fireworks display. Porsche may still be the benchmark. But an Aston Martin doesn't need to shout. You see the long hood, the grille, those impossible proportions, and you already know. James Bond didn't make Aston Martin cool. Bond drove an Aston because Aston Martin was already cool. Fast without being vulgar. Beautiful without being soft. Dangerous without having to announce it. Owning one isn't about pretending to be Bond. It's understanding why he chose one. And here's where things get really interesting. Because while the new cars are spectacular, depreciation has been doing some absolutely beautiful work. A used Vantage around 6 figures. A twin-turbo V12 DB11 that originally cost more than $200,000, now available around $100,000. Thank you, depreciation. No, a used Aston won't be cheap to maintain. Buy the wrong one, and your bargain may develop a British sense of humor. But buy the right one, and you're getting exotic car theater without driving the same car everyone else bought. Aston Martin is overlooked, undervalued, and perhaps better than it's ever been. Beauty with bite, speed with style. Aston Martin still understands the assignment.